else.
Right. Daisy. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Daisy and I'm so excited to be here. As you guys know that most of you all have been asking me to do a live chat on Facebook and come on Facebook. So yeah, finally I'm here and I'm super excited to be on this social platform. And I hope to connect with you guys and I hope that I can provide you with all the information that you want to know about me as a person. So let's get started.
Okay, welcome to Facebook Live, Daisy.
Thank you.
So first thing, how does it feel to be at the Facebook office and finally be connected to your fans?
It feels really great to be here because this is something that I really wanted to do for the longest, and thanks to my team that I'm here today, and thank you for inviting me, in fact. And yeah, I must say that you guys have a lovely office.
Thank you. So what's special about today?
Today is the 3rd anniversary of Jeho, and yeah, so it's a great day to connect with the fans because what I am today, like as Daisy Shah, is because of Jeho and the amount of fan following I have and the amount of love and support that I get from people is because of Jeho. So yeah, it's a special day for me.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about Jeho. How did that film come about? When did you meet Salman?
Well, it's not a hidden fact that I was an assistant choreographer and I had done a lot of songs with Mr. Salman Khan as an assistant choreographer. So there was one song which I wasn't there in Mumbai and my boss was shooting with him and I was in South. So when I came back to Bombay, okay, long story short, I met Salman again and just told him that I've started acting and modeling and all. So I don't know, something might have just dawned upon him like, and in fact he offered me Bodyguard, which I wasn't really keen on doing it. So and then I completely lost hopes that okay fine, I've lost Salman Khan as a person from my life, but no, I don't know, I might be lucky or something like that. And after a year and a half, I got a call from Mr. Khan, and that's how Jai happened.
So how was your working experience with Mr. Salman Khan?
Um, See, my thing is that because he's a very senior actor, uh, uh, I don't really like. Yes, we are friends, but then yeah, the amount of respect is more than having that friendly level to him. So he's a great person to work with. There are a lot of things that you learn with him. He's constantly thinking. He's constantly trying to improve on the scenes, on the film, on the project, whether it's the director or the cameraman or any other artist he's working with, or for instance, maybe one of the crowd members also. So he is like not only physically but mentally present.
So do you think you can give us like a fun little secret about Salman or something from the sets that nobody knows about?
He's a funny person that way if you know him really well. There's one thing which kept on. There are two things which I clearly remember. That photocopy song, because of the dress what I was wearing, it had a can inside, and I kept on falling. And instead of helping me up, he would just go laughing and like tell the guy who was the making person, like the camera which is used for the making of the film and all. And every time I fell, he was like, "ये record किया आपने, ये record किया आपने, ये हमको काम आएगा, ये हमको काम आएगा." So and we had a huge set for that song. We had almost around 80 dancers and 180 crowd members, and so yeah, I was embarrassed every time that happened, and he would just laugh. And there was when we were shooting for Tere Nana in Romania, it was cold, it was freezing, and we were shooting night. It was, I guess, the temperature was around -2, -3, and he came laughing out the tent, saying that ha ha ha, I am wearing 3 layers of clothes inside.
So do you think Salman, everyone aspires to be Salman's leading lady, but does Salman like to be called bhai?
See, when it comes to a man, I don't really think a man would like to be called as a bhai from every Tom, Dick and Harry, like whoever is there, especially women. So I don't really know that way, but yeah, if I was in his place, I wouldn't like that way.
Okay. Coming back to you, what do you prefer, being a dancer or being an actor?
Both goes hand in hand. If you're an actor, you need to know how to dance, especially females, especially actresses, because I have there are a lot of songs that really work on actresses, and yeah, so dance and acting goes hand in hand. Like say, you need to have a soul while dancing. So they say instead of just dancing physically, let your soul dance. So that's how the people will feel that. So yeah, it's a combination of both.
All right, so we have a lot of fans tuning in and a lot of comments pouring in. So we'll be taking some questions from the fans very soon. Till then, would you like to tell us some crazy fan stories, some really funny fans that you came across?
No, I think I was the victim of trolls. Initially, I was trolled and how but yeah, I took everything in a very positive way, and I just every comment that came to me, I made sure that I turn that around. So whether it's my body or the way I look or the way it is. So yeah, I'm thanks to them that I have lost weight today. So they are in a way my motivators.
So what's your one message to all your haters?
It's easy to hate, it's difficult to love.
All right, so are we ready to take some questions from fans?
Sure.
All right, so a lot of people want to say hi to you, so we'll quickly go over that.
Hi!
Neerav Rana from Gujarat is saying hello.
Hi, Neerav.
Then Aman Agarwal is saying he loves you.
I love you too, Aman.
A lot of people are saying that you are looking beautiful today.
Thank you.
So quick question, what is your fitness mantra? Swapnil wants to know.
My fitness mantra, I have been doing a lot of exercises, and it is a lot of a mixture of everything. It's Pilates, it's cardio, it's functional, it's MTUT, which is time under tension, some kind of a workout, and it kills you. So yeah, there's a lot of things. My key of fitness is keeping stuff, I keep on changing my workout so that I don't get bored.
And is that the secret of your transformation? So Shant wants to know.
I think so, yes. Transformation, as I said that, all thanks to the haters, because they turned somewhere into my motivators.
All right. Rahul Joshi would like to know, what do you prefer, romantic films or action movies?
Action films with a little bit of romance.
All right. Sanket would like to know, firstly, he would like to compliment you that your dancing is amazing. Are we going to see more of you dancing?
Yes, of course. My next film has a lot of dancing in it, and yeah.
All right. So Roshan would like to know, when is your next movie coming out, and we would like to know what's coming up for Daisy in 2017.
There's a film called Ram Ratan which I'm shooting for. We're left with a week or 10 days of work, and the film will be out this year, yes. There are two other films which are going on floors, and apparently I have been working on the films lately which are completely different from the films that I've worked on. So I'm kind of trying to explore my own self, and yeah, so I am still finding myself. I have not found myself.
All right. Who is your inspiration, you would say? It's a question from Kritika.
Inspiration. When it comes to film industry, I adore Kajol. I love her work. I love how she lives the moment. So, and that's what I aim to do.
All right. Since you're a dancer, I'm sure you are also into music. So Kushal would want to know, what is your current favorite song right now?
I got this feeling inside my bones.
All right. What kind of characters do you wish to play in the future? Kadambari would like to know.
What? Sorry.
What kind of characters would you like to play in the future?
As I said, I'm trying to find myself. I've not found myself yet. So I'm trying to find that one genre where I fit completely. That is the reason that I've been exploring a lot of different kind of characters. I've been working on a different kind of characters.
All right. Himangi would like to know, happiness to you is?
Food.
So what's your favorite food?
I love Mexican food. I'm a big sucker of pastries.
All right. Vivek would like to know, is there a soft side to Salman Bhai that we don't know about?
Yes, yes.
Would you like to elaborate to that?
He is, he's a very caring person. So, yeah, and I've always said this in all my interviews that I'm lucky that I have gotten into that space where he cares about and he makes sure that I'm doing things right. And if I go wrong, he corrects me. So, yeah, so if a person never had a soft side to him, he would never show this side to anyone. Yeah, I think in a way he has a soft side somehow.
Okay, so there's a question that is being repeated quite some time now. How do you always look so gorgeous? Is there a secret that we don't know about?
Maybe jeans or not jeans. Yeah, maybe I don't know. But the thing is, yeah, I think fitness. Yeah, it just keeps your happy hormones high all the time. And I'm a big foodie, so yeah, I think food is something that really makes me happy. And I love dogs, whether it's a street dog or any other dog. Like if I go to parties, I'd rather make friends with dogs than not humans there.
So, what are some of your favorite hobbies? What's a day like for Daisy?
I read books, but I'm very selective when it comes to books. Like I have only 3 books in my rack, and I keep on reading them again and again because I don't follow books which are short stories. I follow books which makes you better as a person, as a human being. And next would be watching TV, watching films, playing with my dog because I don't really get time with her, and spend time with my mom.
All right. So now, as you see around you, there are some Facebook reactions, and we're going to give you 3 actors' names, and you have to react to each one of them with a different reaction.
Okay.
Now, since we're also celebrating the anniversary of Jai Ho, we're playing the Facebook reaction, the Khan version of it. So the 3 actor options that you have is Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Amir Khan,
Okay.
and you have to react to each one of them using a different reaction. Go.
Okay, Salman Khan would be, wow. Shah Rukh Khan would be a like, and Amir Khan would be love because I just love that man.
All right, that was great. Any messages for your fans who are watching, who are tuned in right now?
Yeah, just keep supporting me, and I'll make sure that I will keep entertaining you guys, and I hope that I do good work, and that's what I intend to do. Yeah.
All right, so are you quickly ready to say hi to a few fans who've been dying to say hi to you? I'm just going to take a few names and you can just say hi to them. All right. So Hemant would like to tell you that he needs to see more of you on Facebook.
On Facebook, okay.
Arshad is saying you look really lovely today.
Thank you.
Any fashion advice for Nirati?
Fashion advice. See, I'm a person when it comes to fashion, I keep it very simple. I don't really follow fashion trends just like that because, okay, that is in the fashion and all that. I dress accordingly. You need to understand your body type first, and you need to understand yourself.
So Swapnil would like to know, if not acting, which profession would you have chosen?
I would have been an air hostess, yes.
All right. What's your favorite color?
Black.
All right. And any parting messages for all your fans who are watching right now?
Party messages. Oh. Okay. Guys, this was really fun. I look forward to do this again real soon. And thank you so much for being around and giving me all the love and support that you guys have been giving me. It means a lot. You happy makes me happy. So all the love from my side. God bless you all, and I shall see you all soon.
Well, Daisy, since you are a fab dancer and we've heard so much about your dancing, and since it's Jai Ho's anniversary, we would like you to do a little dance for all your fans if you don't mind.
Of course, yes, we will.
Yes?
Will you guys join me? No?
Sure, we from behind the cameras will dance with you.
No, come on.
You can teach us a step.
Yes.
All right. Are we ready?
Yep.
सबको मिली इंसानियत की राह पे चलो ना भेदभाव कोई रहे सबके लिए जगह दिल में हो Open your heart and spread your love to the world cause we're all the same Let there be peace, let there be faith अब मेरे संग कहो